guys, welcome back to Duchess Pearl, and today I'm going on a beach day with Toca Seb. His channel will be linked right up here and in the description below, and he'll be tagged in this video. Please go subscribe to him and let's just get on with the video. So today me and Seb are going in a beach. We're going to the Watermelon Wave Club, as you can see right up there. And we're really excited to go here. We haven't planned this for days, it's just my personal schedule is not the best and we are so excited. Also, you should go head out to Seb's channel at the end of this video to see his collab. But let's just get on. So we're gonna go get some tickets. Hi. Hi. Are your names booked in? Yep, it's Duchess Pearl and Seb. Okay, so these are your 2 tickets. Have them over there. And enjoy your stay at the Watermelon Wave Club. Be sure to leave good reviews on Google Reviews. Okay, will do. So now we're just gonna go out the reception area. And we're gonna change. So we're gonna do a little bit of a transition. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're in our outfits. Where should we go next? I don't know. Probably let's go to the pool. I'm just gonna go put my stuff somewhere. Okay, maybe not here. People can steal it, and you know, I don't really trust the security guard over there. So I'm gonna go ask that man to keep my stuff for me, since I don't really know what to do. Hi, can you keep my stuff? Sure. Okay. And Seb's gonna do the same thing since he's a copycat and he's just eating his food, lol. So yeah. A gun and my beach mat just in case I start tanning. Yup, now we're all set to go. Okay. Wait, it's the epic water slide everyone's been talking about on TikTok. I am so hyped to go do this. Pearl, hold my stuff. Okay. I guess I'll just sunbathe here. I guess I'll just go sunbathe with your mat. Let me do it over here. I'm so excited. Hey, dude. Hey, did your girl just leave? She's not my girl, dude. That's what they all say. Don't worry, you'll get her soon. I'm married? You're married? Oh, sorry, dude, I didn't know. I must just get off too. This is my girl, Ella. Come on, let's go down the slide together. Woo! Okay. Woo! That was pretty fun. Babe, I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be right back. Come on, let's have some real fun. Woo! 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 Wait, what? Is this water? Why is it all over me? Ah! Dude, calm down. It's just water. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. Bye. Pearl, there was a whole lot of water that just went up to me. Oh, okay, whatever. Just have your stuff. Where are we gonna go next? I don't know. Wanna make a sandcastle? Sure. We're really good. Guys, that's rubbish! I can make a better one than you in less time than you. I don't say that. It was a bit rude lovely couple, isn't it? We're not a couple, sorry. Oh, sorry. The lovely friends. Oh my god. Daddy, just look at it. How is that a sandcastle? You guys are so damn dumb. Even I can do a better one with my eyes closed. Oh, really? Then do it. You spoiled little brat. You can't even do anything. We haven't even reached year 1 yet. You probably can't even do your ABCs in Pearl. I apologize for the behavior of my friend. I don't care. Sticks and stones can break my bones, but words and not can't hurt me. I haven't heard that since I was in year 2. I know, right? Oh, so come on. We need to go to the sauna. I am terribly sorry. I want to stay on the seahorse. Fine. I'm terribly sorry about my son's behavior. He's just a bit of an outsider, that's all. He's probably jealous of your sandcastle. I'm not jealous, Daddy. Okay, son, let's play ball. That was a bit weird. I know, right? That's such a rude kid. Anyways, I'm gonna get my water gun. And I'm gonna go hang out at the little string area. That spoiled brat. Who taught you that word? I'm just gonna go. Anyways, now I'm gonna spray Seb in secret. It's gonna be so funny. And now the big guns. No! Now my perfect tan is ruined! I don't like this. What up, dude? I didn't get a tan because someone poured water on me and now I look like a splotched onion. It's okay, dude. It's okay. Oh, where are you going? To the big water slide, of course. That's the coolest thing in the Watermelon Wave Club. Did that cat just attack you? No way! It hurt me! Meow! Ow! Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Woof, 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 woof. I just got scratched by a cat. This has to be the worst day ever. Actually hurt. I'm gonna go to the slide. Oh, hey. Hey. Pearl, what are you doing? Nothing. It's the necklace. What necklace? It's the sunflower necklace. The one I've been wanting for ages. And he has it. That's why you look so stargazed? Yes, I look so stargazed. My hairdresser did my hair. She said she had it, but she never even told me where the place was. And I was so mad at her. I kind of went in a restraining order with her, but that doesn't really matter. But, Pearl, let's just go down the slide. Why don't you go down first? I don't want to go down. Because you're a big, fat, scary cat. That's the reason why I'm a pro. And watch this. I'm not going to scream the whole entire way. Hey.
Hey. Is that anything you want? Is it my handsome looks?
Look, where'd you get the necklace from?
This sunflower necklace? She gave it to me.
Hey, Ivy. You know, can I have a sunflower necklace? Sorry, I don't have any more sunflower chains. And my mom said that she can't buy any more because I left out the store.
Okay, I'm gonna go down this one. Of course I won't be scared.
Okay, it looks like this day is coming a bit to the end. Oh. That means you've got to pack up and leave. Right up here again. And be sure to be tuned out to see his collab with me. But I'll see you guys later. And when Sebs quits being a big baby because he went down the stupid slide. Bye!